occupancy tax of $16.50.
It's the tax. It's just the hotel tax.
So we were thinking, because this is a Holiday Inn Express, that it's probably a really quick thing normally, and we were thinking that you're not supposed to use the beds, and we did something wrong because we got charged for bed occupancy.
Absolutely not. It's the hotel tax. Yeah, it's 15%.
A night?
Yep. And that's not. This is a low rate.
We should get to keep these.
I know.
It was a low rate when it was one. Well, wait,
109.
when it was 109, it was a low rate, but we got charged a bed occupancy charge. We got penalized for using the beds. All we did was sleep.
Thank you very much.
Oh my. That's a lot of money.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
So have you ever been asked this question before? Okay, so you have. So this is why I wanted to videotape this, because I knew it was going to be funny.
Right.
So we were afraid to use the bathroom. We might get a tax
Charge?
or
It's an extra tax.
yeah, extra
That's
tax.
20%.
Usually at a hotel you use the bed.
Added onto your bill every single night.
And that's during Yale weekend. We were like at $229 a night, so you can only imagine what the rate was then.
Wow.
So the special rate of $229 ends up being $250.
Yep, exactly.
Okay, that's what I.
Probably more.
See this
Yeah. Say goodbye, Dale.
false advertising. Thank you, Holiday Inn Express. Wait a minute.